How to set up Chime Spot Me feature. In order to set up Chime Spot Me feature, you need to first of all activate your debit credit builder card. What you want to do is open your Chime mobile banking app. Then you want to go to your card section. There you want to activate your physical Chime Visa Debit Card or credit builder card. You will receive a qualifying direct deposit of $2,200 or more within the last 34 days. And you also want to make sure that you have active or that your account is active. All you need is just go to the account or Chime app and log into your account, after which select the settings icon and go to Spot Me. As you've done that, you want to toggle Spot Me on the agree to terms and conditions and follow the on-screen prompt. Once you've done it so, you should be able to enable or set up a Chime Spot Me feature. In some cases, you might have to provide in your social security or tax identification number as well for a security concern, which you have to enter in as well. So with that, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.